Hey, Coach, so happy you found us on YouTube. Make sure you go over and subscribe. That's really important. That way you'll get notifications. We put one of these up every day. Also, go over and check out teachhoops.com for coaches who want to get better. You want to win more games in less time from someone that's done it. Let me help you. I was where you were at one point, took over losing season, won multiple state titles. Let me help you become a better basketball coach at teachhoops.com. Let's head off to the YouTube channel. Bye.
What we're going to do, we're going to go straight crossovers right now. Here, open up the defense. As soon as I say go, we're going to make one move in this direction. Now, he has to make a react. As soon as he makes a move, open up and close out the middle. Make sure you keep in front of him. Now you can score. Make sure he keeps that same height in his hips. Now, one thing Kilo did though, that kind of helped him, he gave him an angle already. So that's one thing I teach my offensive players, to go for that angle. So as I was going that day, I want to attack one half of this. That's all I want. I want to do that. One half of this play. So I always try to hit that man. Alright, especially if he's bigger and longer. As he's here, I think he's going to attack that left side. Only. He's separated. Alright, I don't want to go straight at somebody who I know is stronger, quicker, longer. It's better than me on defense. Yeah, I'm going to look at different angles, different details. When you're one offense, and vice versa, a lot of defenders bring the offense to control it. You know, control the offense, but making sure you obey it. Yeah, we're still looking at our reaction in your feet square.
Hey, Coach, so glad you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Actually, if you did, subscribe and like, and then go over and check out teachhoops.com for coaches who want to get better.